Welcome to the channel. Today we'll be discussing Industries Go 5G. Verizon builds private networks for ports. Before we begin, please like the video and subscribe for more updates. What if the future of global trade didn't depend on the ocean, the roads, or even the skies, but on a lightning-fast invisible web that quietly powers everything behind the scenes? Imagine a port where thousands of shipping containers are tracked in real time. Cranes operate with AI precision, trucks self-navigate through terminals without delay, and safety systems predict accidents before they happen. Now imagine all of this running on a private 5G network not built for consumer streaming, but for industry itself. That future isn't 10 years away. It's happening right now. In the heart of America's busiest ports, a quiet revolution is underway. Verizon, the telecom giant, is working with port authorities to build private cellular networks that connect everything from cranes and trucks to workers and warehouses at gigabit speeds. These invisible networks are laying the foundation for a new era of smarter, safer, and more efficient global trade. But why do ports need these high-tech upgrades? How does Verizon's private 5G compare to traditional networking? And what does this mean for the future of logistics? Keep watching to find out. The rise of private 5G networks. First, let's demystify private 5G networks. When you hear 5G, you probably think of faster downloads, smoother video streaming, or low-latency gaming on your phone. But 5G isn't just about consumers watching Netflix in 4K. Its real power lies in industry transformation. And that's where private 5G networks come in. Unlike public 5G, which you and I use on our phones via telecom providers, a private 5G network is built for a specific enterprise or location like a factory, airport, oil rig, or port terminal. It's custom tailored to that environment, giving companies dedicated spectrum access. No fighting with the public for bandwidth. Ultra-reliable low-latency connectivity. Critical for automation, full control over security and performance. Essential in industries like defense, healthcare, and logistics. Think of it like this: if public 5G is a crowded highway full of cars, buses, and trucks, then private 5G is a VIP express lane reserved only for your operations. Why ports need private 5G networks? Now let's talk logistics hubs. Ports, in particular. Ports are some of the most complex ecosystems on Earth. They're massive industrial cities with thousands of moving parts, cranes loading and unloading cargo, ships, trucks transporting containers within terminals, automated guided vehicles, AGVs navigating warehouses, workers using handheld scanners to track shipments, IoT devices, and sensors monitoring equipment safety and cargo. For decades, ports have relied on Wi-Fi, wired Ethernet, and even for LTE. While these technologies worked, they weren't designed for the scale, speed, and reliability modern logistics demand. Here's why: Wi-Fi struggles with interference in huge metal-dense environments. Wired networks are inflexible and expensive to maintain in constantly changing layouts. Public 4G, 5G networks lack the guaranteed latency and security industries require. Enter Verizon's private 5G networks. By building custom 5G infrastructure directly in ports, Verizon is turning these industrial giants into seamlessly connected, AI-enabled ecosystems. Real demo: Verizon's private 5G in action. Let's walk through a real-world case. Verizon, one of the biggest telecom players in the U.S., has been deploying private 5G networks in logistics hubs and ports. According to Reuters, one of their flagship deployments is in major U.S. ports, transforming how cargo is handled and shipped. Here's what's happening inside. 1. Automated cranes. Traditionally, cranes lifting containers are human-operated, requiring careful coordination. With private 5G, these cranes are now connected to AI-driven control systems. Real-time data ensures smoother, faster lifts. Remote operators can control cranes with near-zero latency. Predictive maintenance. Alerts reduce downtime. 2. Self-driving vehicles. Imagine autonomous trucks moving shipping containers without collisions. Private 5G enables instant communication between vehicles and central AI systems, precise navigation through crowded terminals, fewer accidents, better efficiency. 3. Smart warehouses. Inside warehouses, thousands of packages are scanned and sorted. With Private 5, IoT sensors track goods in real time. AI systems predict demand and optimize inventory flow. Workers equipped with our glasses see live instructions, reducing human error. 4. Safety enhancements. Ports are dangerous environments. Private 5 supports real-time worker tracking to prevent accidents. Video surveillance with AI anomaly detection. Emergency alerts delivered instantly to every worker's device. In short, Verizon's deployments are rewiring the nervous system of ports, making them smarter, faster, and safer. Why AI plus 5G equals game changer? The real magic begins when AI is layered onto Private 5. Let's break it down simply. 5G equals speed plus reliability. AI equals intelligence plus automation. Together, they create a self-learning industrial environment. Imagine a scenario: a crane begins vibrating abnormally. AI sensors detect it. AI algorithms instantly analyze the data, predict a mechanical fault, and send an alert while simultaneously redirecting another crane to continue operations, so workflow never stops. This level of predictive maintenance and automation is only possible with Private 5G networks powering AI in real time. Future predictions: where is this going? The Private 5G revolution is just beginning. Let's explore the future. 1. Global ports as digital twins. Every port will create a digital twin, a virtual 3D replica that mirrors real-time operations. Managers can test scenarios like rerouting traffic during storms without disrupting reality. 2. Sustainable ports. Private 5 will help reduce energy waste. AI can optimize power consumption of cranes, lighting, and cooling systems. Ports could cut emissions dramatically while boosting efficiency. 3. Seamless global trade. Imagine ships, ports, trucks, and customs all running on synchronized Private 5 systems. Cargo movement across countries could become nearly frictionless. 4. 5-powered robotics. Robotic arms. Drones for cargo inspection, and even underwater drones for ship hull checks, all coordinated in real time. 5. Beyond ports, industrial expansion. The same model applies to airports: real-time baggage tracking, autonomous tugs, factories: smart assembly lines, energy plants: remote monitoring of critical systems, healthcare hubs: secure, low-latency telemedicine. The industrial internet of the future runs on Private 5G, and Verizon is planting the seeds today, making it relatable. Why should you care? Now, you might be wondering, I'm not running a port. Why should this matter to me? Here's why: your online shopping arrives faster. Ports running on Private 5G mean quicker, more reliable shipping, cheaper goods, efficient logistics, reduce costs, which trickle down to consumer prices. Job creation. Private 5 demands new skills: AI engineers, robotics specialists, network architects, opening new career paths. Sustainability. Smarter ports mean fewer emissions, helping fight climate change. Digital inclusion. Once industries adopt Private 5, the tech will filter down to everyday businesses like warehouses, farms, and even hospitals. In short, Private 5 networks are quietly shaping the future of how we live, shop, and work. So here's my question for you: what excites you most about Private 5G? Is it the automation of industries, the sustainability angle, or the potential job opportunities? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this deep dive valuable, don't just watch, engage. Hit that subscribe button. Share this video with a friend who loves tech as much as you. And stay tuned, because we've got more big conversations on the future of technology coming your way. I hope this video has been informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.